If you live in the United States and you're not investing, you're falling behind, not because you're lazy, not because you're bad with money, but because inflation is eating your savings every single year. The good news, you don't need to be rich to invest. You don't need thousands of dollars. You can start with $100 or even less. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how beginners in the US can start investing step by step, the smart way. Let's get into it. Investing simply means putting your money into assets that grow over time. Instead of your money sitting in a regular bank account earning almost nothing, you put it into things like stocks, ETFs, index funds, retirement accounts. In the US, investing is one of the biggest reasons why ordinary people become wealthy over time. This is not gambling. This is long-term wealth building. Before you even think about buying stocks, make sure you have this foundation. 1. Build an emergency fund. Save at least 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account. 2. Pay off high-interest debt. If your credit card is charging 20% interest, investing won't beat that. Pay that off first. 3. Take advantage of retirement accounts. The US government gives you tax advantages through accounts like 401k, Roth IRA, traditional IRA. These accounts are regulated by the Internal Revenue Service, and they allow your investments to grow with major tax benefits. If your employer offers a 401k match, that's free money. Always take the match first. When you invest in stocks, you're buying small ownership pieces of companies. Most major stocks trade on New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ. You don't go there physically, you use brokerage apps like Fidelity Investments, Charles Schwab, Robinhood. Opening an account takes about 10 minutes. Here's where most beginners mess up. They try to pick the next big stock. Don't. Instead, start with index funds or ETFs. For example, funds that track the S&P 500. The S&P 500 includes the 500 largest companies in America. When you invest in it, you're automatically diversified. That means your money is spread across companies like Apple, Microsoft, and hundreds more. This reduces risk and gives you long-term growth. Historically, the S&P 500 has averaged around 8 to 10% annually over the long term. That's how regular people build serious wealth. Don't try to time the market. Instead, invest a fixed amount every month. For example, $300 every month into an S&P 500 ETF. Some months the market is up, some months it's down. Over time, this strategy smooths out volatility and builds wealth consistently. This is called dollar cost averaging, and it's one of the safest beginner strategies. Do not panic sell when the market drops. Follow TikTok stock tips. Try day trading as a beginner. Invest money you'll need next month. Investing is a long-term game. If you're investing for less than 3 years, you're basically speculating. Here's the truth. In America, the system rewards investors. If you consistently invest in diversified index funds for 10, 20, 30 years, wealth becomes almost automatic. You don't need to be a genius. You need discipline. Start small, stay consistent, think long-term. That's how beginners win in the US market.